Of course, yes. Na wachigokuna. Tatika nende siasa yokurwana. That is political immaturity.
Yes.
Polino bwana wa siasa. Tuwavere siasa miake bega as much as tutana kwa chobo.
Yeah, true.
Some of us intwana kwa chobo. But mbondo takatana because ya chora tumambia ajitene chibese na therefore he knows politics ya Kenya kusi ya usi better than some of us. No. Iteko nyarekana. Abantu bakurwana, that's politics ya bana. Usakuligereria mugabana tubwate karo tubwata matanga gucha muino gaiga
gongera
ya gongera ni gisigi umuntu barwanite komo no muchumbo sa mugirana. Up to now, that's almost another 7-8 years ago. Has their character changed? No. Tuanyoreta abana mubungo kitutu chache north no mubungo kitutu chache south. Bakurwana a stage. Of course, as much as my member of parliament or kitutu chache south ukurukwando nikibage ndi twapingana chikura kwa makambu akabo muchumbe. Umuntu ase incident iri umuntu toko kuraumu no mubungo kitutu chache north. Tikanya bakwana akore nonyore libageria uri kumirane to gukuru umuntu mic to gukuru ani umuntu stage kuramo umuntu stage na ya nini kwana mangana. You have that chance ekanoria kure karanzire na yote no kwane. That's what we call democracy, and that is we kotegerere umere ayo yo opponent yakwa akwana na ayo manakuru umwiraniri utigire wana inchi bago chachi naki who is better. Ngoto tebige ndekia nige ndeka birikiriye karage kurwana kisegi chikobo injuries inkoba chiri montoko endali nyagitari. Who pays for this medical bill? True. So if it's your family, it is the family that chives cheta ko school fees, then you take it to nyagitari. Kroja sense myo bonjorani no na bante karo bamanye tena usine mbere. There's nobody who will kalenta no business chaiga ure karabinto bikoba destroy it up and down left. So aba usibi na wateba enkwirigiri tole naba kebali bakwirigiri naba kebali babwate. For example, so kwaka nabona Kenya ngima igepenta bausi na abantu bali in the road transport sector.
Yes.
But you sako in the road transport sector, they are not more than 5 people. Na wa control lakini asu muntu in Nairobi muntu Kisumu kama ndio chigani chabagu. But majority of bausi are not there. So as much as abausi urios ubiokire aso ile biashara biaye, he does it extremely well, or she does it extremely well. But the majority of us, 90-95%, we are in a bad shape. No urio tambokire tana ojagwa toyo mayaga koboko. This is what is hailing emosi gengu na bono iga bantu mbobata freedom ya yo kora siasa ya bana batagete kwa makuru kwanyora umusio mino tena nirekerogo kwa mana utagete kuyorokina nayo uri number 1 kumurama na korora kumorokena nayo useless. Iba ugukira ayogende siasa ya ukando atebyo umuntu uri go support ndaki aya uri nere no yo minto nkuboli ari lakini ngitiga ngende nkurigiri chikure cyawo ngorayigo.
Yes.
Pati wote kuyorokena number 1 na Olia, Mochinga, useless, tana okora ken. Ekero togo chora, umeshimiwa the retired president Uhuru. Abange ba murugeta malita makom.
Yes.
And he was looking and say nobody. But he was not abandoned by abantu of Mount Kenya. They never abandoned him. They voted for him. We teme amagoso nsi abwate moko mwakira chikura ga kwiriria so ire nyumba mana we kransire kru mana was como shape e direction iri mutagete lakini tayo kesa kwite nega ke do konyara abuna bantu ke ntubwati bese. That's being stupid.